Hey, buddy. Let's work on our old farm truck a little bit. You want to?
Yeah.
We ain't had it running in a while. People,
Nope.
they might be interested to see what we got going on here.
Yep.
You want to show it to them?
Yep.
Tell them what it is.
Old truck.
An old truck. It's a 1955 Ford F-350. Right?
Yep.
All right, let's show it to them.
Walk around it.
Be real still. Quit shaking so much. You make people dizzy. All right. Let's open the hood here. A little bit of a trick. We built this truck about 3 years ago. Come on, walk on over here. Oh yeah. We've done a little modification. As you can see. A little more horsepower than it came out with from the factory. But we're gonna check the oil here. See if we can't get it fired up for you guys. Let's pull the dipstick out and see what it looks like. What we got? Oh yeah. Good shape.
Shape pool. Can you show them the inside?
You wanna look at the inside?
We can fire it baby up.
Look, we might have some. There's the insides. I'd say the battery's dead, wouldn't you? Neutral. There's our start. Yeah. All right. Backup plan. Let's go get a battery charger. Is that thing heavy?
No.
Not heavy. Where's the battery at? It's in here, ain't it? Here, I get it.
No, I don't.
All right.
I know where it's at. That's easy.
I got it.
That's easy to know where the battery.
These little jump boxes are handy as a pocket on a shirt. Oh boy. It might be dead too. Let's see. Let's go around the other side. All right.
Give her a go. Oh, that's this side.
Let's see what happens. Right. We'll probably do some more videos on this old truck coming up. We need to change the oil. We'll get it back out on the road. This is our old farm truck. We're gonna put our logo on the side of the door. Ride it around, advertise.
And
Hillside Highway, right?
And we have something else to show you.
I don't know what he's talking about. Oh, you want to show them that? You think somebody might like that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go look at that. Oh, it goes. What is that?
It is an old gas truck.
Pretty old, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah.
And it's cool. It's been living in this bad boy.
All right. Well, we're going to run out. Feed the cows. You ready to go feed them?
Yeah.
Gotta give them a hay bale.
Oh, yeah. They eat them hay bales like
All right, well, let's go.